This is overwhelming. There's too much going on, it's hard to analyze, and honestly, does it really make you want to learn about the circle of fifths? Now, what if I showed you this? This is the Circle of Fifths Decoder, a free-to-use tool on our website that expands your musical toolkit, helping you expose the key a song is played in, analyze chord progressions, transpose songs into a different key with a simple turn of a wheel, compose your own music, and decode music theory. So, how does it work? First, let's navigate each section. For our example, we'll put our root key as G. The decoder shows you all of the notes in the root key and is numbered 1, 4, 5, 7, 6, 2, 3. What the decoder does is put the root key on the top, with the major chords right next to it being the 1, 4, 5 of your chosen key. So G is paired with C and D. The minor chords belong on the bottom with 3, 6 and 2 being B minor, E minor and A minor. You'll also notice that the 6 is in the middle and a bit bigger. This is because it is a relative minor. So G major goes well with E minor. And then right in the middle is number 7 with F sharp being your diminished chord. Not only does it do this without being too overwhelming, but it also tells you the notes to go into it. Right under the root key, it tells you which notes are flat and which notes are sharp, which are seen in another key. But after the numbers on the key under each note, you'll notice there are extra numbers. These numbers make up the chord tones in the chord. For example, for D major, it's the 5th, 7th and 2nd in this key. These also line up when D is put as the root key. Now, one thing you might be wondering is, what are these notes meant for? Well, these are chords and notes that kind of work and can be made to work for the key of G, like F major, almost as if it can be jammed in the middle of a chord progression. It can also work with notes in this key which are secondary dominants, like A, which is usually a minor chord in this key, but can be used as a major chord, showcasing other potential major chords and secondary dominants in the key, allowing users to have that freedom rather than being stuck in one place. If any of that went over your head or didn't fully make sense, then don't worry. There's a free resource you can access on our Circle website, which goes more in depth and helps you practice using the decoder with different songs. These are free to access online because we honestly just want you to make more music, while we make what's complex easy to understand. Make sure to tell us your thoughts on the Circle of Fifths decoder down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.